Hi Year 10 and 11. Sorry it's taken me so long to get this first video up to you. Um, the work I want you to do over the holidays is divided into three sections. The first section is controlled assessment, and I want you to evaluate your website, like the one that is in the background here. Now when you're doing this, Aaron, go away. That was my son. When you're doing this, you need to evaluate every item. Okay, why you chose this background color, why you chose this animation, what you're trying to achieve. Obviously, you mustn't have Lorem Ipsum typed in there. Okay, so evaluate each section. I will upload a document. I also gave you a document before you left to help you do this. Okay, so that's the first thing you need to do. The second thing I'll be doing is putting up some links to theory. And as I know a lot of you don't like to do reading, I'm going to put some links to some interesting videos as well as reading. And you'll need to know this stuff for an exam we're having when we get back after the holiday. And the third section, the third set of stuff I'm going to put up is what I'm calling Play to Learn, where you will basically play games and stuff, but learn at the same time. The main thing I want you to do, and I'm going to put a link to Kodu, which is the game making website, so you can download the software and build your own games. Right, so before I go, I'll just give you some ideas of the kinds of things that you should be looking at to write when you write your evaluation. You talk about your color choices, talk about your font choices, okay, why you chose those and what you were trying to achieve. Okay, here we've got a lovely layout. Okay, so you can say why you put flight information at the bottom, why you chose these particular pictures, what you're trying to achieve. Okay, so once you've done all of that, then you talk about things you found difficult to do. For instance, on this contact page, it's fantastic, but there is no contact form. Okay, and none of these things link anywhere really, but they don't really have to. But you talk about any issues you had creating photos, whatever. And the final section, when you're doing your evaluation, is to talk, and it's one of the most important things, if you had more time or the chance to do it again, what would you do differently? What would you do change? What would you add? Would you spend more time doing research, etc.? So good luck with that. I'll be putting a task on for you to upload it. And as I said, when I get a few minutes, I will upload some resources for you to look at. Thank you. And have a Merry Christmas, one and all.